Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe, I'll absolutely appreciate it. So uNosipho Mpumelelo's ex-girlfriend has finally seen the light, guys. So she recently posted a picture of hers, a beautiful picture of his, and then someone commented I don't know if it's supposed to be Masibindi or Masibindi, something of that sort, but basically calling her ngebizo lika Sibindi, ngebizo lika Mpumelelo, right? And then she responded and said, not anymore. People were so proud on the comment section. People were saying, oh my word, you are such a smart girl, you know your worth and all that. I'm also so proud of her, given the fact that she is actually very young, very educated. Honestly, I couldn't be more proud than I am right now. I'm happy for the fact that she decided to leave umsangano wama relationship kaMpumelelo, guys, because it was honestly not worth it. Remember on the last episode of Izingane Zesithembu, when Uvuyokazi was so angry when she was saying that she doesn't even believe ukuthi uNosipho is still a virgin. She was basically saying that uMpumelelo so wayiqhaqha kwaleyo virginity kaNosipho by now because she wouldn't survive, ezandleni zikaMpumelelo. But anyways, whatever it is, okusalayo girl has exited the Zoom meeting, the WhatsApp group, like she knows her worth, and I'm so proud of her because I'm just hoping that she's not pregnant, because at some time back she once posted an Instagram stories where she was saying that guys, umuntu omitiyo limhleka for how long? And I was like, what? I hope, girl, you're not pregnant. So I'm just hoping that she is not pregnant. As for virginity, I don't know, but as long as she's not pregnant, I'm just proud of the fact that she didn't even say that, let me stay to gain a little fame, by hanging around Mpumelelo Mseleko, because honestly it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Otherwise she was gonna find herself with a baby and being miserable, just like Uvuyo and Tirelo. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.